Welcome students. In this video we will study about pressure and the concepts related to it like liquid pressure, atmospheric pressure and the applications based upon pressure. What is pressure? Before we define pressure, first we should clear that pressure is produced when force acts on an object. So definition of pressure is force acting per unit area is known as pressure. Pressure equals to force upon area. Pressure depends upon force and it also depends upon area. Let us clear this thing with the help of an example. Here the man is applying pressure on the table by applying force on the nail using a hammer. Here pressure is produced by a man when force acts on an iron nail by hammer. SI unit of pressure. SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square, which is also known as Pascal. 1 Pascal equals to 1 Newton per square meter. Pressure depends upon two factors. First, force applied. Second, area over which force acts. Let us clear this thing with the help of the following examples. Why school bags have wide straps? Because the weight of bag fall over large area and the pressure on the shoulder of the child gets reduced, and due to less pressure it is more comfortable to carry the heavy school bags. Sharp knife cuts better than a blunt knife cause the area of contact is less and that's why the pressure is high, and this large pressure cuts the vegetables easily. The sewing needle is so sharp so that it can apply force on very small area and produce a large pressure which is sufficient to pierce the cloth which is being stitched. Now pressure exerted by liquids. All liquid exert pressure on the bases and the walls of container in which it is kept. Liquid pressure is measured by a device named manometer. In liquid, as depth increases, pressure also increases. Here, the pressure of water is less at the depth of 10 meter below the surface of sea, that is 1000 Pascal or 1 bar, but it is much greater at the depth of 30 meter below the surface of the sea, that is 3000 Pascal or 3 bar. Atmospheric pressure. The layer of air above Earth is called atmosphere, and atmospheric pressure is the air pressure which is exerted by the weight of air present in the atmosphere. The atmospheric pressure is highest at the sea level. On the surface of the Earth, the atmospheric pressure is maximum at the sea level. And as we go up in the atmosphere from the surface of the Earth, the atmospheric pressure goes on decreasing. Few applications of atmospheric pressure in everyday life. Let us start with a drinking straw. The lower end of drinking straw is dipped in a soft drink. When we suck the upper end of the straw with our mouth, the pressure of air inside the straw and in our mouth is reduced, which pushes the soft drink up the straw into our mouth. So it works on existence of atmospheric pressure. Syringe. It also works on the existence of atmospheric pressure. Thank you, and I'll be back again with some more informational stuff in future.